We'll guide you through how to combine and merge videos on TikTok. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on TikTok. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and combine and merge videos, as perhaps you've got multiple you want to make into a TikTok post and video. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done. Make sure it's this full guide, and we're going to guide you through exactly what you need to do and go and provide different context depending upon whether you're trying to go and record a video now or if you've just got clips you already want to go and combine. So any further ado, let's go and dive straight into this. So what you want to do is come into TikTok as we already are. Now, what you want to do is go to the middle at the bottom and you can go and press on the plus. Go right to the bottom and you want to make sure you've got post selected. And then what you can do is just above the shutter button, you can go and select the length. Now, if you want to go and record a clip right now, you can go and do that. I'll show you in a moment. If you've already got a video you want to do this with, then what you can do is go and tap on your gallery in the bottom left. I can go and see a preview here, so tap on it, and you can then go and select one of them. Just for now, select one and press next in the bottom right, just so I can go and show you the same thing if you're going and recording one, even though there's multiple, I know that. So for example here, let's go and say started recording, and then this is what I want to go and use. We can go and press in the bottom right. So now whether you've gone and selected just one video from your gallery or you recorded one, it doesn't matter. Let's just remove the current sound at the top. What you want to do is go and swipe up like so, or go and press the edit icon at the top of the list below settings, and this opens up. And we can then start combining and merging more by going over to the right, and you can go and press the plus in the timeline just below the preview. Now what you can do is your gallery will open up and you can start selecting the others you want to do this with. I can add these three and go and press confirm. And now they're going to go and be added, as you can see. Now it has actually gone and changed the order here. So to go and change the order of this, you can go and tap and hold on it. Then what you can do is go and tap on it and hold on it on your timeline, and they'll go small like this, and you can drag it into the order you want them to be. And you can go and repeat that. So tap and hold on one of them, and you can then drag it to where you want it to be. Now, if you want to go and adjust the length of these clips, you can tap on them, and you can go and see the arrow at the start and at the end. And you can tap, hold, and drag it to go and adjust the length of it, as you can see. And also what you could do if you want to go and remove a part of it, you can go and have it selected, find where you want to start removing, make a split, decide where you want to go and make another split, where you want to stop removing it, say, press split again. Then you can select the part you want to remove and press delete at the bottom. That's it. At the bottom as well, you can go and press edit, and you can go and have these different options. You can go and add sound, add text, add effects, press magic as well, and that will go and do different things. You can add captions and overlay, stickers, filters, adjust, and sound sync as well. So there's loads of different things you can go and do with the TikTok editor. But now we've gone and been able to go and combine and merge different clips. So what you can do is press in the top right when we're ready. And if you want to just go and get back to the normal editor, you can go and press the back button in the top left and press next in the bottom right as well. And we can then go and post it, and that's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.